was so much fun.
Easy now.
Good morning, guys. Good morning, Kevin. Good morning.
Grumpy Kevin.
Morning.
All right, guys, we're here at Buttonwillow Raceway. We got everything unloaded and we're getting ready to set up our pits. We're out here with King's Auto Body, the boss man himself, Ayed. They've got their two E36s right off the stacker trailer. SoCal Drivers Club hosted event. WR Technica's out here. Sub 2 Speedhouse. You guys may know Alex, obviously, from the previous vlogs. Helped us over at Nitron and will be helping us out today at the track. We're really excited to get this out on track. Got to get our numbers on. Get ready. So before we get out to the track, let's go ahead and talk a little bit more about what ARD is. And who better to discuss that than our very own former F1 aerodynamicist, Scott Beaton.
With my background in F1 and all of the wind tunnel work, CFD analysis and race engineering that we've done as a team over the years, we've decided to put all of that experience and those tools together to take things in a more focused direction, a different philosophy for the brand. One that chases balance, one that chooses function over form, aero over aesthetics, and purpose over compromise.
Now, we did take the Supra ARD program and we launched that out in Japan at Tokyo Auto Salon, where we took that out to Tsukuba Circuit and we set out to shoot for a sub 1. And of course, on this vehicle here, we're going out to Buttonwillow Raceway to set a sub 2. And that should be no problem with this new kit. We know that it will work in our CFD configurations. Our testing at Tsukuba has proven that we can be successful, and I think we're completely dialed. Now on the vehicle behind me for the M2 kit, we've got 4 huge canards. We've got our front splitter that goes all the way to the center line of the front axle, that rear diffuser that'll help suck the air out, evacuate that up from under the vehicle, and then that AT-M3 wing with 8 degrees of adjustability is gonna help keep everything balanced and planted.
The thing that I wanted to remind everyone is that today's, these are the good days. So enjoy the day, enjoy all these awesome people that are here around you. Be kind, have fun, and again, yeah, thank you guys for all being out here. Great to see everyone.
Shit's about to go down. Car feels a little soft in the front end. Tires, of course, were like kind of getting greasy towards the end of the session. They were getting a little cooked, but definitely need to upgrade brakes. No big off-track moments, nothing super dramatic. Car was just really composed.
Doesn't it fly out?
Yep, it's here. That's it. Ooh, nice and cool.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's actually not bad.
Yeah, so if you want to stay cool on track, see Ravi at CSF. We'll get you dialed. Stay cool. So now that you guys have seen the Aero in action, let's go ahead and talk about what's really going on. Now on the front of the vehicle, there are several aerodynamic elements. First, starting with the canards, will actually help us with that aerodynamic downforce in the front end. The front splitter, and even on the front splitter, we have a few additional elements there, such as the air tunnel, the front gate, and then those underbody vanes as well. Now let's break down what's going on in the rear end of this G87 M2. Up top, we have our newest addition to the lineup, something that you guys have seen for the GR86 and also launched at Tokyo Auto Salon, and that is our newest AT-M3. We have 8 degrees of adjustability. Underneath here, you'll see that we're utilizing all titanium hardware, and this wing also utilizes our CNC machined uprights as well as our reinforcement plate underneath. Now, as we drop down to the diffuser and we're taking a look at this, across the entire piece of this diffuser, 6 diffuser vanes helping to control that air and evacuate it from underneath. So we have our truss design bracing, 4 brackets that go all the way across the rear end of this diffuser. So you can ensure that this thing is sturdy and stout and doing its job. Now you're probably wondering, how much downforce are we actually creating? Well, we were able to achieve on the G87 M2 with our ARD kit, a balanced downforce kit, making 574 pounds of downforce at 180 kilometers per hour. Car ran great. It was crazy. It's exactly what we built it for. Thing ran flawless. Aero feels planted. Came in for a little tire pressure adjustment. We were cooking. We were like 37 pounds. Dropped that. But overall, car's impressive. Pretty flat out through most of the sections. So I can see where this is. It's an easy way to want more horsepower. Some things that we need to dial in are definitely brakes. At least some brake ducts, cool them down, because they're cooking after a session like that. Make some suspension adjustments. We'll go out next session and see what we can do, but glad we can take you guys along for the ride. Well guys, our first session here at Buttonwillow was a huge success. We want to thank all of our partners, of course, Meguiar's, Apex Wheels, we got Falcon Tire on board, Sub2 Speedhouse, and of course, SoCal Drivers Club and Nitron. We ran long sessions in 95-degree weather, and we were able to bust out a 157.2. Super proud of everyone who had a hand in this, in building this vehicle, getting it here to the track, and creating this YouTube video for all of you guys to see. And of course, I have to give a huge thanks to Ayed and the team over at King's Auto Body for helping us get out here. You guys saw their stacker trailer. They give us amazing hospitality. So now that you guys know what ARD is, be excited, because there is a lot in development and a lot more kits that are going to be coming out. So keep an eye out, follow ARD, and follow what we're doing as we develop this G87 M2 and take on other circuits around the country. Now, if you guys have made it this far along in the video, we're giving back to you guys. Using code ARD G87 M2, it'll get you 5% off your purchase for the next 24 hours from when this video has dropped. And of course, to one special person who has the best comment that we pin, we're gonna be giving you back $200 in-store credit to use towards your next purchase. So thanks a lot for the support, guys. We're very excited. We love showing some of the new things that we're doing here at ADRO, and there's going to be much more to come.